Okay, hello viewers. I want to do a song Neema ya Mkombozi by Fanuel zedekiah. So let me do it just a simple song. And if somebody requested it, then I can't ignore. So just a simple song. It's just 1 4 1 5. So I'm doing it on F sharp. So let me play part, then I'll explain. Let me play it fast, then I'll explain. It's just a simple song actually. Like that. So we are in the key of F sharp. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 is F sharp, 2 B C, G sharp, 4 B flat, no 3 B flat, 4 B, 5 C sharp, 6 D sharp, 7 F back to F sharp. So the song starts. Mkombozi ni Neema. So I'm starting with 3. This is C sharp, F and B flat. Then I go to 2. 3 2 3 2 1. Then this is a flat 5. No, minor 5 I mean. It's not even minor 5. This is something like this. This can be. This is the 3 minor, yeah. This one. The 3 minor. So 3 major, 2 minor, 1 major, 3 minor, then 4. So I'm using numbers. I'm not going to use. If I use numbers, even if you play the other key, another key, you can still find it. So 3 2 1 3 minor. So 3 major, 2 minor, 1 major, 3 minor, to 4. So ni Neema. Then 2 ya Mkombozi ni Neema. Ni Neema. Mkombozi. just play. So 3, 2. Then you can just play the melody, or you can just play it. Ifanyika kuwa mwana for hesabiwa haki. Then so this movement actually just play 1, 1, 2, then 3 minor, then you go back to 5 minor, 4. You actually use those things as passing chords. So let me show you that. This is a minor 5, F, G sharp and C sharp. Then you go to 2, D flat, C, E flat, G sharp and B. So then you go to 3 minor, then again 7 or 5 minor, 5 minor. Then you play 2. Then then 6. You can just use them to add the flavor. This is just a flat 6, flat 2. So play first, then you go 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1. So this side is where you play after then 4. So this one is the one in front is the upper one is flat 3, flat 6. Then just like that. So God bless you. Bye.